Okay, so this is a quick tutorial on some of the features of your new Google site, how to edit it, how to add a page, and how to change that site layout. Right now our site layout is pretty plain Jane, and so we are going to go ahead and do some customization of that. First, before we do that, I just wanted to point out a couple of features on your new Google site. First, there should be a set of buttons across the top here, a pencil, a page with a plus on it, more, and then a blue button up at the top if you are signed in. If you're not signed in, you don't have editing rights to the site and you aren't able to see these things. So just making sure that you're signed in. If you don't see these things, it means that you're not signed in. Second, this share button. I'm going to click on that. And so right now this site is public to anyone on the web. Anyone can search this in a Google search and find this site. You can change that to anyone with the link or make a site private and only share it with certain people. For right now, I'm just going to leave it public on the web because there's no reason that I want to change it. But just so you know, those things can be changed, just like a Google Doc. We're going to go back to the site, so I'm going to click on the site name right there on the left-hand side. And if I wanted to edit this page, add any content to it, I just click on the pencil editor, and then you notice I get a lot of word processing tools, and I can type in there, I can add pictures, I can add links eventually, I can do all sorts of stuff. Okay, so that's the editor. I'm going to go ahead and save my changes to get back to these 4 buttons. If I wanted to add a new page to this site, I would click on this icon here that says new page, and then I'd have to name my page. And if I wanted to, I could select a template that I wanted to use with that page. So maybe I wanted to have an announcement style page that was kind of like an ongoing blog or ongoing updates of what's happening in my classroom. I could select that. A file cabinet page where I just stuck a bunch of files or I just uploaded a bunch of files, or a list. I'm going to go ahead and save it as just a web page. That's all I want it to be. And you can then select where do you want it to be, at the top level or put under your home page. And so I am going to put this under my home page for right now. And so there you see my test page is right nested under my home page, and it automatically sets me in edit mode in that test page. And so I'm going to click save. And I want to go back to my home page, so I just clicked on the top. I want to change the layout of this particular site. It's kind of blah and plain Jane, and I want it to look a little bit nicer. So I'm going to go to More, and then I'm going to scroll down to Manage Site. Click on that. And then on the left-hand side, if I scroll all the way down to Themes, Colors, and Fonts, the base theme that we're looking at right now is called Ski. But if I wanted to change that theme to something else, I could click here and pick any number of these themes. And so I'm going to select Lavender Pane because it's purple and pink, and I like purple and pink. And I'm going to go ahead and hit save. You notice here before I hit save that you can also change the color of your site header, your content area colors, your content area gadget colors, sidebar gadget colors, horizontal navigation. You can do a lot of different things here. I'm just going to save for right now and go back to my site. And now you'll notice that it is purple and pink and kind of a creamy taupe color. So that's a quick tutorial on the different buttons that are options that are associated with editing your site, adding pages, and then how to change your theme.